Hi, this is Sam Spagnola here at the Spagnola Law Firm in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm going to spend a few moments with you right now to talk to you about an uncontested divorce and what that means. Well, under North Carolina law, in order to file for divorce, the parties have to be separated for at least a year. What does that mean? It means you have to live separate and apart for 1 year. It doesn't mean I lived in the basement for a year, we were in separate bedrooms for the year. It literally means you have to live somewhere else for at least a year before you can get that divorce. Now, if you file for your divorce and you say, hey, we've been separated for a year in your complaint, and then your spouse comes back in their answer and says, no, wait a minute, we haven't been separated for a year, your divorce is now contested. And so you're going to have to go to court and put on evidence and have a judge decide which one of you they believe and decide whether or not to grant that divorce. So that's the first most common situation where we're talking about a contested divorce. So the second situation means where there's maybe not an actual dispute over the date of separation or the judge granting the divorce, but one of the parties is asking for the judge to do something else. For example, you file your divorce complaint alleging your year of separation, you serve your spouse, the spouse comes back and they admit, yes, you've been separated for a year, but, oh, I want alimony, I want property division, I want child custody, or I want child support, or they put some other issue out there for the court to decide that's in dispute. In that situation, once again, you're not dealing with an uncontested divorce, or at least what we mean when we use the term uncontested divorce. Yeah, the divorce might still go through because there's no dispute. In fact, it should still go through because there's no dispute over a year separation in that situation, but there are still other issues out there that will need to be resolved. So this is helpful for when you're calling a lawyer to say, hey, how much does it cost for an uncontested divorce? The lawyer is going to be thinking exactly what I just said when they hear those terms, that there's not going to be a dispute over the date of separation as far as whether it's a year or not, and there's not going to be any other issues of property or alimony of any kind. So just be aware of that's what a lawyer is going to be thinking when you use that term, so that you understand it as well, that an uncontested divorce simply gets you divorced without any dispute between either party on any issue at all. So I hope this was helpful. My name again is Sam Spagnola. I'm a board certified family law specialist here in Greensboro, North Carolina. I have over 20 years of experience in family law. I also do a little bit of bankruptcy, and we'll be glad to give you some helpful advice if we can in your case if you need that. You can give us a call at 336-373-8469. Visit our website at triadlaw.com. Again, that website is triadlaw.com. And give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out with your situation. Thank you.